In 2022, it's easier than ever to make money while sitting at home using your phone or your computer. You no longer have to show up at some sort of office or rely on an employer to get paid. You can start working for yourself and no one else. In this video, we'll be taking a look at 6 different ways you can get started with earning money right now using completely digital platforms. This can be a great way to earn money on the side, or even be a way you can earn a living. Without further ado, let's take a look at the first entry on our list. Number 6. Gumroad. If you're a digital creator, finding the right marketplace to sell your products can be quite difficult, mainly because all of these different marketplaces have all kinds of different fees, rules, and unfavorable conversion rates. But with Gumroad, digital content creators have more opportunities to earn money than ever before. On this platform, you can upload pretty much whatever you want: digital art, ebooks, blog posts, top 10 lists, and so much more. You can choose to either charge a specific price for your products, or you can let your customers decide what they want to pay. Gumroad is still a pretty new platform, but it's already getting more and more popular. In fact, Gumroad users collectively earn around $3.5 million every single week. On top of that, getting into Gumroad right now before it gets too popular is a great way for you to get a head start and not be drowned in the competition. The sooner you build up your reputation as a seller, the better your chances for long-term success. Another great thing about Gumroad is that their fees, which are pretty low to begin with, continuously get lower and lower the more money you start to make. If you're one of the top earners on Gumroad, you have to pay as little as 3% in fees, which is almost nothing. Long story short, Gumroad is the perfect platform to sell all kinds of digital products. It gives you all sorts of opportunities and benefits, and it's surprisingly easy to use. Before we continue with 6 ways to make money using digital products, be sure to click that like button and subscribe to never miss our awesome videos. Number 5. Medium. Blogs and articles have been an integral part of the internet from the very beginning, and that's primarily because of how easy it is to monetize them. However, as the internet has grown, it has gotten harder and harder for small blogs to compete with massive corporations who have an article on just about anything. That's where Medium comes into play. At its core, Medium is a place for all kinds of writers to get together and publish their stories. It can be anything, from tutorials to news reports. Because of this, many people have started to leave their tiny blogs and started writing on Medium to reach a bigger audience than ever before. But you can also monetize your work on Medium. As soon as you reach over 100 followers on the platform, you can apply to become a member of Medium. This way, anytime someone opens your article, you can earn for it and keep track of how much money you've earned from Medium. Successful writers actually earn thousands of dollars every single month from Medium, and that's because Medium shows up on Google search results as if it was any other news website or blog. There are also a lot of people who specifically use Medium to dig through content, so you know that no matter how niche your subject is, there will always be someone who is willing to read your content. If you have any kind of writing skills at all, along with any subject you might have knowledge about, writing about it on Medium is an excellent way to earn money on the side. Number 4. Teachable. You'd probably be shocked at how much people are earning online from online courses alone. We're not talking about thousands of dollars. We're talking about millions of dollars. The thing is, if people want to learn something, they don't mind spending $10 or $20 to take an online course to do so. Now imagine if you had a few thousand of these students taking online courses, and you can easily deduce why people are earning so much money. But here's the thing. Most teachers can't really find a platform to sell their online courses. That's where Teachable comes into play. On Teachable, you can create practically any kind of online course you want and have it be available to millions of potential buyers. For example, if you're particularly gifted at math, you can create an entire class to teach math to students. If you know how to code, you can also create a course for that. You can even create some simple courses like teaching your students how to use social media or how to use the internet in general. Anything you're particularly good at is a skill, and these skills can be taught to other people. All you really need to get started is a script and a camera. In order to promote your courses, you can use social media promotions and discounts. Once you get enough people signed up for your course, not only are you going to earn a lot of income, but it's also going to be easier for you to get more buys. Number 3. Patreon. This is probably not the first time you're hearing about Patreon. In fact, many of the top creators you're already subscribed to might already have a Patreon. And that's because Patreon is a platform that allows existing creators to earn even more money through its subscription options. Basically, your Patreon account is like a Twitter or Facebook feed that only your fans can view. Your fans will pay you a monthly subscription fee of your liking to be allowed to view this content. Many YouTubers started using Patreon as a way of giving their fans exclusive content that would otherwise be too long for YouTube or simply not monetizable. Since your patrons on Patreon pay every month to subscribe to you, it can be a great way to not just earn income once, but also have it be recurring. To keep those subscribers, you're probably going to have to start making more content that's exclusive to Patreon, or just content that you know your fans are going to enjoy. Patreon allows fans to subscribe in tiers, so you can create tiers like $2 to view only text content, $5 to view text and photos, and $10 to view all kinds of content. It really all depends on what you want to do, and it's all very simple. Number 2. Buy me a coffee. It's hard for content creators to get noticed sometimes, especially at a time when YouTube, the internet's largest content creation platform, makes it so difficult for videos to get monetized. That's why Buy Me a Coffee was created. It's a platform where content creators can publish any kind of content they want. They can create art, make videos, podcasts, music, pretty much anything you could dream of, and more. Your supporters can pay to subscribe to view your content, and if you're someone who already has a following on YouTube and needed a little boost in income, Buy Me a Coffee can be a great platform to do so. Your fans can also give you a little tip if they really enjoyed something you made. It's a bit similar to Twitch streaming, where fans often tip creators during a live stream. Whenever a supporter gives you a tip or subscribes to your account, you can get the money instantly in your bank account. Most platforms, YouTube included, will make you wait at least 30 days before you're paid. On top of that, the supporters are subscribed to you, and not the fans, which means Buy Me a Coffee can't just send them spam emails or ban them from subscribing to you. Only you have the power to do that. Buy Me a Coffee also has great customer support, and it's a platform that's made in the best interests of the content creators. It doesn't care about advertisers or big companies, something that we can't say about YouTube. Number 1. Podia. The reason why Podia is at the top of our list is, well, it has pretty much all of the features of everything we've mentioned so far. Podia is a platform that allows you to make and sell online courses similar to Teachable. As we've mentioned, you can make courses about anything you're good at and charge your customers a specific amount to view these courses. Podia also allows you to sell paid one-on-one webinars to your fans if they need something a bit more personal. But on top of that, Podia also allows you to sell specific digital products similar to Gumroad. You can sell anything from PDFs to music files to blog posts. It's an entire marketplace with competitive rates. And finally, Podia also has a community feature which pretty much just allows you to make a profile that your fans can subscribe to. This is similar to Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. You can post pretty much anything you want on your profile, and just like all of the other platforms, your fans can actually tip you if they enjoy your content. But the great thing about Podia is the fact that it just works, and it does everything. It's the one platform that has it all. And that's a wrap for the 6 ways to earn money using digital products. What are some of your online earning tips? Let us know in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.